Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is multiplying radical expressions. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first question is simplify 2 square root of 16 times 2 square root of 48. This is a question given to us. Now what we do is first simplify the numbers inside the radical, pull out whatever can be taken out, and then see step by step what happens. 2 square root of 16 can be factored as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, while 2 square root of 48 can be factored as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now inside the first radical we can make group of 2's like this because the index is 2. So these first pair of 2 come out as a single 2, and the second pair of 2 also come out as a single 2. So we left nothing inside the radical, so we complete it here times 2. From the second radical we can make pair of these two 2's and they come out as a single 2, and inside the radical we are left with only number 3. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 square root of 3. Now we'll multiply the terms outside the radical, that is 8 times 8 is 64, and square root of 3 as it is. This is our final answer, can be seen in option D. Let's try the next question for better understanding. Simplify 2 square root of 25 times negative 3 square root of 9. So again our rule remains the same. We factor the numbers inside the radical. 25 can be written as 5 times 5 times negative 3. 9 can be factored as 3 times 3. These two 5 combine together to come out as a single 5. So 2 times 5 times negative 3 times 3. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times negative 3 times 3 is a negative 9. 10 times negative 9 is a negative 90. This is the final answer and can be seen in option C. Moving on to the next question. Simplify negative 4 square root of 75 times 5 square root of 27. 75 can be factored as, let's see, cannot go with 2, so we take 3. 75 divided by 3 is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. So negative 4 square root of 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. 27 can be factored as 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 3 3's over here. From the first radical we can combine two 5's and they come out as a single 5. Inside you're left with square root of 3 times the two 3's combine, 5 times 3 square root of 3. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20 square root of 3 times 5 times 3 is 15 root of 3. Now we'll multiply the numbers outside the radical, that is negative 20 times 15. Inside the radical we'll multiply the two numbers, that is 3 times 3. Now these two 3's combined together to come out as a single 3, so we have negative 20 times 15 times 3, which is equals to negative 900. This is our final answer and can be seen in option C. I hope multiplying radical expressions is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.